I am grateful for the abundance of money coming to my life. I only think of positive thoughts about income and money. I make my future brighter because of the money that comes to me. Money flows easily within my life. I have a mindset filled with positive money thoughts. I deserve to have an abundant amount of money. I will generate money in creative and fun ways. I am responsible in handling money. I envision myself as a wealthy person. I invite an abundance of money into my daily life. I believe that financial freedom is achieved through passive income. I become an empowered individual when I can control my finances and wealth. I create opportunities for my wealth to grow. I seek varied ways to become a prosperous individual.